Now we are going to see the sentence using do dga means here giving, the meaning of do is giving, but here we are going to use this for allowing or giving permission. Okay, allowing or giving permission. Sentences using do dga, this means allowing, we are allowing or giving permission to anyone to do that type of work. See, मुझे घर जाने दो, मुझे घर जाने दो, let me go home, मुझे घर जाने दो, let me go home, मुझे पाठ पढ़ने दो, मुझे पाठ पढ़ने दो, let me read lessons, राम को खेलने दो, here राम को खेलने दो, let Ram play, allow, give permission to Ram to play in the ground. जियो और जीने दो, जियो और जीने दो, live and let live, मुझे चाय पीने दो, मुझे चाय पीने दो, let me drink tea. Okay, here we are giving permission or allowing someone to that work. Here see, let me drink tea, I am asking permission, please I want to drink tea, let me drink tea. Okay, like this. मुझे अपनी बात कहने दीजिए, मुझे अपनी बात कहने दीजिए, प्लीज़ allow me to speak my matter. वह मुझे अपनी किताब पढ़ने देता है, वह मुझे अपनी किताब पढ़ने देता है, he allows me to read his book. Okay, he allows me to read his book. आपने मुझे सोने नहीं दिया, आपने मुझे सोने नहीं दिया, you did not allow me to sleep. वह तुमको घर जाने नहीं देगा, वह तुमको घर जाने नहीं देगा, he will not allow you to go home. कूली को गाड़ी से सामान उतरने दो, कूली को गाड़ी से सामान उतरने दो, allow the porter to unload the luggage from the cart. Okay, while seeing these sentences we have the clear idea that we are giving permission or allowing some person to that work he wants to, or he asks permission from us. Okay, see, मुझे घर जाने दो, let me go home, मुझे पाठ पढ़ने दो, let me read lessons, राम को खेलने दो, let राम play, जियो और जीने दो, live and let live, मुझे चाय पीने दो, let me drink tea. Here मुझे अपनी बात कहने दीजिए, please allow me to speak my matter. वह मुझे अपनी किताब पढ़ने देता है, he allows me to read his book. आपने मुझे सोने नहीं दिया, you did not allow me to sleep. वह तुमको घर जाने नहीं देगा, he will not allow you to go home. कूली को गाड़ी से सामान उतरने दो, allow the porter to unload the luggage from the cart. Okay, by seeing this sentence, we can conclude that, see, though means, though the meaning of though is giving, but in these sentences we are using this though and dga as giving or allowing them to, or giving permission. Okay, I hope you can make some sentences like this. This video will help you for that.